It's fitting the 2025 Toyota 4RUNNER arrives the day after a total solar eclipse, since the two events occur about as often as one another. That would be even funnier if it were true, but the last total eclipse visible in America occurred in 2017, while the current fifth-generation 4RUNNER was revealed in 2009. Yes, we've been waiting 15 years for a new model, and it was worth the wait. It took this long in no small part because y'all wouldn't stop buying them. 2021 was the 4RUNNER's biggest sales year ever, and while sales have dipped the last 2 years, they're still better than any year going back to 1997. And that's with an ancient 4.0-liter V6 wheezing through the last 5-speed automatic on the market. Just looking at the 2025 4RUNNER, the visual connection to prior models is strong enough to convince the uninitiated it's just another facelift. But everything is new. As predicted, the 4RUNNER has migrated to the TNGA-F global body-on-frame architecture that underpins the new Toyota Tacoma, Land Cruiser, Sequoia, and Tundra, as well as the Lexus GX and LX. From there, you can already guess a lot of what you're about to read. More closely related to the Land Cruiser and Global Land Cruiser Prado than before, the 4RUNNER now rides on the same 112.2 golden ratio wheelbase, up from 109.8 inches, which should add a bit of interior space. We're still waiting on those measurements. It grows similarly in overall length, adding more than 3.5 inches nose to tail, and in width where it expands by 2 inches. It'll be a little less nimble on the trail, no doubt, but it certainly helps the 4RUNNER look beefier. While it might appear the harder-core off-road models are wider still, this is a visual trick created by painting the fender flares black, trimming them up a bit, and fitting fatter all-terrain tires.